This last moon cycle, I've journeyed with my beloved Giant Puffball. Giant Puffball was my mushroom medicine oracle card pick for the new moon on March 10th, 2024, to the next new moon on Monday, April 8th. Journeying for a complete moon cycle and whole month is a deeply integrative experience. You see the bigger or larger picture and extract wisdom in both hidden and plain sight. Giant Puffball comes to me usually during times of distress. This specific mushroom feels like a stuffed animal or pillow friend. I can hold tight to my chest and belly, hug, cry into, play with by tossing up into the air and catching the soft squishy, and tell all my secrets to, just like a stuffie in childhood. This last moon cycle, I've been connecting with my old friend exhaustion again. I've been navigating fairly well by doing what Giant Puffball suggests. Breathe out frustrations and demands. Breathe in patience with ease and acceptance. This requires letting go of demanding or forcing things to work or be as you'd like, and instead accepting and allowing with grace to flow and even surprise you. My mantra this moon cycle has been, I love my life. I say this while looking out the window, listening to the birds, drinking hot tea, eating dinner, seeing my family's faces, whether on screens or in person, going for walks, doing chores, and showing up to work. I love my life. This creates the ease and flow in my mind and body that actually allows me to let go and trust. My spiritual mentor, Michael Tamara, once told me that I can't work on patience. That will only make me more agitated and frustrated. I need to trust more, and that will naturally lead to having patience. This makes me smile as I write these words of comfort. Most of my impatience has been around the state of our world. I felt deep sorrow and confusion for our humanity my entire life. Why do people say one thing but do another? Why do people hurt themselves and hurt others? When will humanity heal? When will humanity listen and do better? I could go on and on. These stories have tied my lens of humanity in grief and created a cycle of impatience within my energy field. Breathe out frustrations and demands. Breathe in patience with ease and trust. Each time I do this, I feel lighter, more compassionate, and hopeful. Each time I do this while squeezing Giant Puffball's light body, I feel safe and supported. This last moon cycle, I've needed to soften, relax, and trust. By doing so somatically, I move more fluidly through layers of truth stored within my consciousness. So often we humans believe by fighting, proving, pushing ourselves, and controlling, we will get what we want. I find the more I surrender with ease and acceptance, the more open I become. and things shift organically. It's like taking a break and getting out of our way, only to then have the epiphany or the path open and become clear again. Sometimes we must step back to adjust and realign. It's not giving up or losing faith. It's not a helpless or hopeless surrender. It's an embodied and energetic trusting, opening, and receptive allowing and receiving. The first thing Giant Puffball shares in the card deck is trust us when we say we are not ignoring you. We hear your every whimper. Patience is not tolerating or waiting. It is settling into acceptance with greater ease and grace. This is where I'll leave the message with much gratitude for the journey. Tomorrow I will welcome in Black Trumpet for this next moon cycle. May we tread lightly upon this earth and within our holy bodies. May we soften, listen, and grow. I share this message with all of you. May you take what you need. With much love, Nicole Lynn.